Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. I'm going to be talking about the compensation plan in Exitus Elite, and I'm going to use the G1000 level as my example because I came in at the G1000 level. So uh, how this is a one-up system. So that what that means is you have to make your qualifying sale. So your qualifying sale gets passed up to your sponsor or the person who brought you in. So your first sale goes to your sponsor. Now you're qualified to make unlimited $1,000 commissions going forward. So this is your first sale goes up to your sponsor. This is your direct sales right here. So after you pass up this one commission up to your sponsor, you get to keep all the rest of your commissions going forward. Now what's going to happen is right here is these are your referrals. Your referrals first sales get passed up to you. So you just made 3 extra commissions from your team building their team. So this commission, and this commission from these 3 people will go to you. So that's how the compensation plan works. I only use the G1000 level as an example because that's how I make my money, but it's the same on all the other products. So I hope this video was informative, and I will see you guys all in the next video. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you comment below, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. And also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell next to it, so that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. So I hope you guys, I wish all of you guys, whether you join me or not, the best of success in all of your endeavors and your online ventures. This channel's all about inspiration, and it's also about not giving up on your dreams, and that it's never too late to get started and put the work you need to get to where you want to be. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.